Conversational AI is not one thing. This is the first in a series of 12 videos to help you think a little bit differently about conversational AI. And today we're going to start right at the beginning with what is conversational AI? Really, look, there's lots of confusion, there's lots of acronyms, AI for artificial intelligence, NLU for natural language understanding, TTS for text to speech, STT, speech to text, or ASR as we used to call it, automatic speech recognition. But what is conversational AI? I think there's two ways of thinking about it. It can be machine learning technology, deep learning algorithms that let computers recognize what someone says and understand what they mean when they say something or type something. Or we can think about conversational AI as a whole bunch of different technologies that enable computers to have a conversation with people. So which is it? Well, I think it's both, and actually everything else in between, and sometimes it just depends who you're talking to, and it's worth getting clear about it because there can be a lot of confusion otherwise. And one's not good or bad, and let's think about directed speech systems or click bots that give specific options to customers. Some people say that's not real conversational AI, but done well, these systems can be very effective and actually quite natural. If you listen to customer service agents interact with customers, they guide them. Sometimes they even have a script, just like an old-fashioned IVR call flow. But sometimes we need to let the customer take control and tell us what they want or ask a question. And for that, we need machine learning technology. So what is conversational AI? Well, sometimes it's machine learning. Sometimes it's just code. Sometimes it's guided and directed, and sometimes it's not. I think ultimately conversational AI is whatever design, technology, and data lets a computer have a conversation with people.